Today I am going to show you that how use web browser in command line interface in Termux. Open Termux app. Type package update and in package upgrade. Press Y and hit enter for yes. For default choice, press enter. Type package install W3M. Type W3M space URL. In my case I open Google, https://www.google.com. Press Q 2 to 3 times for exit. Second package. Type package install Lynx. Type Lynx space URL. In my case, https://www.google.com. Press Q 2 to 3 times for exit. Third package. Type package install Lynx. Type Lynx space URL. In my case, https://www.google.com. I also provide resources related to this in comments and description. Thank you.